Welcome back to the channel. Why she won't sleep with you and how to fix it. Most men wrongly think she won't sleep with you because she's just playing hard to get. But the truth is, there are 8 deeper invisible barriers quietly killing the mood. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix them, especially the final reason that could turn everything around overnight. 1. You feel like an unresolved question mark. When your energy is scattered, she can sense it like a dog hearing a high-pitched whistle. Maybe you're unsure of what you want with her or constantly sending mixed signals. That ambiguity makes her nervous. Desire thrives in certainty. If she's unsure where she stands, her guard goes up. Fix it by being clear in your actions, not with a big speech. Even small, consistent gestures like choosing a restaurant without hesitation. Conversation can quietly tell her you're solid ground. 2. She doesn't feel safe with your silence. Sometimes it's not what you say, but what you don't. If you avoid deeper conversations or dodge vulnerability, she can't read you. That mystery isn't attractive, it's unsettling. She wonders, what's he hiding? The fix: let her glimpse pieces of your inner world. Not an overshare, just small truths that show you're human. Safety comes before intimacy, always. Have you ever been in that moment with her where everything feels right, but something's just off? It's not her. It's not even what you say. It's the energy you bring into the room. When your presence feels scattered, like static instead of rhythm, she can't fully relax, and that tension kills intimacy before it even starts. That's why today's sponsor, Axo Supplements, created their Men's Vitality Blend. With proven ingredients like Tungcat Ali, maca root, and Panax ginseng, it helps support natural energy, circulation, and inner calm, so you feel grounded and confident, and she feels safe letting her guard down. For the next 7 days, Axos is running a 30% off promotion to kick off the season and help you bring your best energy into the months ahead. Plus, every order through our link directly supports this channel. So you're not just investing in yourself, you're helping us keep creating content for you. Just use code JOY30 or click the link below and it'll apply automatically. Imagine the next time you're with her. No hesitation, no missed signals, just a steady magnetic presence that pulls her in. Take action now before another moment slips away. 3. Your presence feels like static, not music. If every interaction feels rushed or transactional, her body won't naturally lean toward yours. She needs moments of rhythm, pauses, playful tension, shared laughter. Right now, you might be filling silence with constant talking or distractions. Fix it by slowing down. A quiet smile across the table can do more than 100 witty lines. 4. She senses unspoken comparisons. Women can feel when they're being measured against someone else, an ex, a celebrity, even your dream girl. It makes her body tense up, like stepping into a room where the temperature just dropped. Clear this by being fully present. Compliment her in a way that doesn't feel generic, something that only applies to her. 5. She's waiting for you to claim space, not in a possessive way, in a grounded, confident way. If you shrink back in every decision or defer endlessly to her, she starts to feel like the captain of a ship with no crew. Fix this by taking initiative, even in small ways, ordering dessert, leading her through a crowded bar. It signals you can relax here. 6. The vibe feels rushed, like a sprint instead of a dance. Sometimes you push too quickly toward physicality, and it flips a switch in her nervous system. She goes from curious to cautious. Slow the pacing. Flirt like you have nowhere else to be. When she feels you can savor moments instead of racing when she's moving past them, her comfort deepens naturally. 7. She hasn't seen your edges yet. If you're too agreeable, too polished, she'll suspect there's more beneath the surface. People crave depth, and without it, attraction stalls. Reveal a hint of your edges. A firm opinion, a playful challenge. It creates intrigue without conflict. She's not sure you can handle intimacy. Sometimes it's not about her at all. It's about whether you radiate readiness. If you seem distracted, uncentered, or emotionally unavailable, she'll hesitate to fix. Focus on being at ease in your own skin first. A man grounded in himself creates a space where connection and passion can thrive. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.